Welcome everyone, my name is Michael, and today we're going to be doing a ribbon pour. Not a lot of colors, nice and simple, nice. We're going to do a oxide black base. It's going to be nice. Nice little quick pour for us today. So let's get started. I like to get right into it. We'll go through the colors as I pour the ribbons. And here we go. We're going to first pour the oxide black. Alright, here's the base. Go right in the middle. It's so pretty. This black on the white looks so nice. Alright. Save a little just in case. Yeah. Alright, let's move this around a little. Alright. I just started using this Amsterdam oxide black. It's moving around pretty nice. I like it. See a lot of air bubbles. Looks like we're going to have to bust out that torch soon. And let's see if we can get this round part up here. And I think we're ready for a ribbon. Alright, let's bust out the torch here. That going. Ooh. Here we go. Any little air bubbles? Ooh, I see them. Oh, there you go. Okay, that's nice. Alright, so let's start pouring. Kind of want to go with pearlized violet. I like this stuff. It's very nice. And let's go right in. Here we go. We're just doing nice swirls in here. Ah, oh, that looks so nice. Just some nice swirls. That's beautiful. I guess we'll do a little bit of this cadmium yellow light hue. This is very nice also. Let's see. I'm gonna do a little bit thinner. Oh yeah, there you go. You don't need them to be perfect. I can add a little extra one right here. You see, you don't need to be perfect. Looks beautiful. Alright, let's go with pearlized gold. It's nice also. They're all nice. Here we go. Let's bring this gold around. Oh, look at that. Now I'll tell you what, I did add some silicone to the colors. Not the oxide black and not titanium white. So let's see what happens. Now we're finishing off with some titanium white. Let's see what we can get out of this. Oh, there we go. A little right here. Right up here. Nice. Okay. Now we saved some of the oxide black just in case we need to do the corners, which I like to do recently. This is something I've been really doing lately. I didn't always do it. I think earlier on I did, but I think recently, no. Started doing it again. Okay, there we go. So I'm so tempted to just throw some black right in there. Okay, guys, here we go. Let's see what happens. Let's get to pouring. Not pouring, tilting. Oh boy. That purple is very, very strong too. I think I'm gonna go hard. I'm gonna go hard pours off, dude. I think I'm not gonna play around. I think I'm just gonna do quick stretch. I really like the way that black is playing in that yellow. Giving it like a shadow effect almost. It's really cool. This is a very nice, simplistic, just some nice colors painting. Nothing like fancy, just nice and simple. Be super beginner if you wanted to think about that. Oh, let's bring some of that purple back. Wow, it looks nice, guys, doesn't it? Yeah, I really like the colors in here. The black and the yellow are really piquing my interest. You can see them. Yeah, they're fading in. It's nice. Okay, I think I actually like this composition a lot. Here we go. We're going to put her down, and that's it. What do you think, guys? Alright, guys, so we decided to torch a little. And as you can see, stuff is popping out here, so I want to get more going. We're going to torch a little more. Remember, this gold and this purple are pretty thick, so you have to heat it up in order for these cells to pop out. So I think that's what we're doing here. If I were to move it around a little, it probably would develop cells too, but I think I'm going to let them just develop naturally because they're coming through just not very well. And the purple, of course, always is really just not, it's so thick. I'm going to remember that next time this pearlized purple is very thick and have to use it very sparingly. I almost want to treat the pearlized purple as an opaque, which it is, but it's very, very thick. Alright. Alright, guys, now we're going to go in for a close-up. Yeah, these cells right here. Look at this. Ooh, I love it. That's nice. Look, even the gold is getting a little in here. You know? Let that develop. It's going to look nice. And we'll come in for a close-up. There we go. Alright. Have a good night. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.